Welcome to the University of Ottawa Library tutorial on RxTx, the Canadian source for drug therapy. To access RxTx, you need to go to the library website at biblio.uottawa.ca. Then you go under the menu Find, and you click on Database A to Z. You then type in RxTx in the search box, and you can click through. It will always ask you to put in your library username and password, and then you click on Sign In. I want to first bring your attention to the fact that all the information in RxTx is bilingual, so everything could be available in French as well. You will find drug monograph for all the medication available in Canada in RxTx, but there's also a monograph on conditions and diseases that could be quite useful. So let's do a first trial. If we type in Ritalin in the search box, it will bring you to a list of resources. If I click through on the first one, it brings me to the Ritalin monograph. And there's a lot of information here that could be quite useful for you. And certainly you can browse through or go directly to what is of interest to you. To be noted that there is also information for patients available in RxTx, which could be quite useful for you. So let's now try a condition. So if I type in the search box ADHD, it brings me to a few different monographs. The first one is for, of course, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. There's a lot of information here. So you would have information for diagnostic first, and then about therapy, therapeutic choice, and in the therapeutic choice it would tell you if there's also non-pharmacological choices or pharmacological choices. There's this drug table that could certainly be quite useful to compare different medication, etc. There is also a medication interaction available in RxTx called Lexi Interact. To use Lexi Interact, you add the drug name, at least 2 or more, if there's any known allergy, and then you click on Analyze. Lexi Interact uses this table, these codes, if you wish, to tell you quickly what is what. And then, yes, they found a drug interaction for Ritalin and warfarin, and if you click through, it will give you all the information about it. Going back to the home page, I want to bring your attention to clinical tools. So RxTx have a lot of calculators and other tools that could be useful. So please have a look at them. And also a pill identifier tool. So this could be useful for you and your practice if needed. So please check it out. And lastly, just to let you know that RxTx is available on a mobile device, so you can download it, but there is specific instruction about it and you can find them here. This concludes our video. If you have any question, please email the Health Science Library via email. Thank you so much for listening.